Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how you guys can install YouTube Music app in your PC for free. So basically when I was trying to search it on a Microsoft Store for YouTube Music, it was somehow showing me to pay like $15 for the app, which is just not make any sense because you can get it for absolutely free for Windows or Android or iOS. So why it's having $15 here? But I have a crack that you can easily get it for free. All you have to do is just open a Google Chrome app or then go to your YouTube and just scroll down here and go to your YouTube Music. This will open the YouTube Music page on your profile. Now just simply go to that corner three dot option, go to the cast, save and share option, and you can see here install YouTube Music. Just click it here and install, and there you go. This is how you have it YouTube Music installed in your PC like that. If you don't want, then you can just uninstall it from here. If you rate, just keep it here. That's it. Now all you can have it, just type YouTube Music, that will be here. Put it at the start menu, so you can have it here. Just open it and there you go. You have your YouTube Music with your current YouTube profile or Google account. If you had like premium subscription, you don't need to log in again. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.